Some of the steps that you should take when you discover an unattended death, first and foremost, do not go onto the job site if at all possible. During the year, our temperatures change in Minnesota. We got the cold, obviously, in the wintertime, and then the hot in the summer. The hot in the summer is the one where the flies get into the home and they spread that contamination throughout the whole home. So I advise people, call your insurance company, call us. We'll come out there and we'll assess the situation. Maybe there's some documents that they're looking for, insurance documents or tax paperwork, so that they can get a probate situation started with an attorney. We will help you recover some of those documents when we come out to do the assessment. If possible, if they are in the home already, turn down that thermostat. Summer, winter, doesn't matter. Turn it down to about 55 degrees in the wintertime. Summertime, as cold as you can make it. I understand it might be 90 degrees out, and getting it down to 55 is not going to get there. But if you can turn that down to 60, 62, somewhere in there, that'll help reduce the microbial activity and therefore reduce the odors. Some of the other things is close the doors, lock the doors, put up a sign maybe that says stay out. But again, the biggest thing is protect yourself. Don't go into the scene if you can help it, and reduce that cross-contamination. And the same goes with cats and dogs. If there's cats and dogs in the home, make sure they're out of the home so that they don't track the issues around throughout the whole house.